Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about two of my favorite body care products at the moment. Both of them are from this brand called Pilgrim, and I've used a few of the products in the past. I'm going to leave my previous video in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. But this time I have body care products from them, and if you're interested in the body scrub and body butter, keep watching. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated about my new videos. And now let's get started. So this time I've picked up two products from the Jeju Island range of Pilgrim. So Pilgrim is an Indian brand, but with an aim to bring to us beauty therapies from across the world. So the previous one that I did, which is linked below, the Secrets of Venotherapy range, was from France. This range has the Secrets of Jeju Island from Korea. So international therapies coming to our doorstep, but from an Indian brand, is something I really like about the brand, and the products are effective. I've used them in the past, and of course I'm using them right now also. So let's talk about the two products that I picked up. One is the body scrub, and the other one is the body butter. Now they are a complete ritual together. Of course you can buy them separately, but I would recommend that you buy both of them together, because when they work together you get the best results on your body, and also you save some money. So the first product is the Secrets of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub. You take off the lid. This is a plastic tub, and then you take off the inner lid, and then you see the product inside. You scoop out some of it with the wooden spatula that you get with the product, and then you apply it on your skin, on your wet skin. Massage the product into your skin in circular motions on your wet skin, or you can take some product on your hand and a few drops of water and then apply it to your skin, either way, and then that's about it. You just wash off the product with some water, and your skin will be left smooth, and all the dead skin from the surface will be gone. This is the texture of the product. It is a little crumbly, but you mix it in with water, or you apply it on wet skin, and you get a smooth scrub, which really helps exfoliate your skin very nicely, especially areas like your elbows and knees. I think this is the best scrub that I've used in a long time. It has a very nice mild but pleasant fragrance also. So overall, using this one, your bathroom gets filled with the nice aroma, the gentle aroma, and I really like that it effectively scrubs out my skin, removes all the dead skin and impurities, and leaves me with very smooth, supple skin. After I'm done using the body scrub, after I'm done with the exfoliation, I like to take a towel and pat dry my skin, and then immediately I like to use the body butter from the same range. This is the Secrets of Jeju Island Shea and Cocoa Body Butter. So it has shea butter and cocoa butter. Both of these ingredients are really nice for your skin. They're very moisturizing. Again, the similar kind of packaging with a lid on the inside. The body butter comes with a spatula like this, so you scoop out some product, take it on your hand. I'm going to show you a swatch over here. This is what the butter looks like. White in color, very smooth, very creamy, and it gets absorbed into your skin really nicely. I really like the whole I really like the combo of the body scrub and body butter. But even otherwise, the body butter is really good. I like to use it every night. I definitely like to use it with the body scrub, but the body scrub I like to use it once a week, but the body butter I use it every day, especially at night before I go to sleep. I apply it on my arms and my legs, and the elbows and the knees, all the dry areas of the skin, and in the morning I get up with my skin, which is still feeling really soft, because you can see the difference here. I've applied the body butter, and on this hand right now I've not, and you can clearly see the difference. This hand looks very nice and moisturized, whereas this one looks a little dry at the moment. So with both these products together, the body scrub and the body butter, I get this body spa like treatment at home with my skin, which is squeaky clean, there are no dead skin cells, and then I apply the body butter and I get really smooth moisturized skin, which I really like, because who doesn't like soft supple skin. The key ingredients in this range, and I'm going to read out from the brand's website, are volcanic lava ash, which is purifying for your skin. It detoxifies your skin, and it is also a disinfectant which removes bacteria, viruses and yeast from the skin. It protects your skin from harmful effects of pollution, prevents aging, fights acne and rejuvenates your skin. Next key ingredient is yugdugu. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a rich source of copper, manganese, magnesium, vitamin B1 and vitamin B6, and it reduces pigmentation and dark spots, acts as a gentle exfoliator, prevents cell damage and rejuvenates the skin by moisturizing and stimulating dull skin. And the next one is white lotus, which is a natural superfood for skin and contains vitamin B complex, vitamin C and antioxidants. It is a natural skin conditioner, reduces signs of aging and provides instant hydration to the skin. So the key ingredients are present in both of these products, especially the volcanic lava ash, and together they help cleanse your skin really effectively and also moisturize it. So both of them together are a really nice at-home body spa, and I do highly recommend this range if you want clear skin and glowing skin, smooth and supple skin. The body scrub gives you squeaky clean skin, and it does not dry out your skin, so your skin gets clean but not too dry. And then you apply the body butter on top, which has shea and cocoa butter, which are deeply hydrating and very moisturizing for your skin. When you apply the body butter after using the body scrub, you get this at-home spa-like experience, which I really personally like a lot. A really good thing about all of the products from Pilgrim is that of course the brand is an Indian brand, the products are made in India, but these are also sulfate and paraben free, mineral oil free. The toxic 20, the harmful toxic 20 are not there. These are FDA approved, no parabens, no sulfates, tested by a lot of people. These are cruelty free, not tested on animals, and these are 100% vegan products. So apart from the fact that these are all really effective, all of these good things get a thumbs up from my side. So if you're interested in any of these products, I'm going to leave links in the description box down below. That was all from my side on the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island body ritual, the body care ritual, body scrub and body butter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, do give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.